I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select trigger, which is Fluent Forms. Select a form. Click Next. Search and select PODS. Choose pod type. Choose post status. Comment status. Choose an author. Map the respective fields. Here are the advanced features in the conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Save. Now go to your form and fill up with data. Click on the Submit button. Then go to the PODS Custom Post dashboard. And here you can see that a new post was created successfully under PODS Custom Post. Thanks for watching.